Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a 20 moving average in MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 app. Then click on the F icon here at the top. Now click on this F plus and go to moving average. Click on it. And here on period, make sure you type 20. So if you found this, for example, on 10, like this, change it to 20. And we have here method, simple. You can choose simple or exponential if you want. So for me, I will keep it on simple. We have here style. This is for the thickness of the moving average, the thickness of the line. And we have here the color of the line, as you can see. You can choose any color you want. Okay, after you finish, just click on done. Now let's go back. And as you can see here, this is our 20 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.